Welcome to the next video of the course, and in this video I'm going to show you the first app builder. With this app builder you can make quiz apps and apps which make much money, so this app builder is especially for making money very good. So we type in at Google Quick App Ninja and press enter. So there's quickappninja.com, and this is the website we are going to use for creating our quiz apps and for making money. As you can see, there is the title of the website is "Want to Make Money Creating Android Quiz Games Without Any Coding Knowledge," and this is this was your aim. This was the reason why you bought this course. So this is exactly that what you wanted to know, and I'm going to show you how to use this app builder. So click on register now and sign up with Google. And you have to wait a minute, and now you take your app, your Google account, which we created in the past videos, and you click on OK. Wait a second, and now you are on a Quick App Ninja sign up, and you type in your full name. So this is important that the name is the name of your app company, for example. So I type in App Studio 2018 because this is my App Studio name, and your email, this should be the same as the Google account has. Okay, you can read this if you want to, and uncheck these boxes with the news if you like to, and click on continue. And after doing this, you have to wait a second, and now you are on the dashboard. And as you can see, here's a big button, and there's the text "Create New Game." Create New Game is will be this button will go away after creating your first game, but you can still create games here. Well, now you are logged in at quickappninja.com, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to start with your first app.